Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a text-to-voice engine and gathering your content. Choose local versus cloud based on privacy and budget. Local keeps data on your machine, cloud often has better voices. Once chosen, paste or import the text and clean punctuation so the speech cadence is natural. Next, set language, voice, pitch, and speed. Make sure output format matches your project, MP3 for web, WAV for editing. Finally, name the file and select an output folder so you won't lose files. Now you refine how the speech sounds by editing SSML or prosody controls. Use tags for pauses, emphasis, and intonation. Test 10 to 30-second samples and listen critically. Slow down numeric sequences, add a pause before lists, or increase emphasis on key terms. Once satisfied, apply batch settings like sample rate, mono versus stereo, and loudness normalization so all clips match. Make a naming convention and export a short test run to confirm consistent results. Before processing the full, export the complete audio and immediately review it end-to-end to confirm clip order and timing match the script. If you hear mispronunciations, insert phonetic spellings or SSML substitution entries to teach the engine correct pronunciation. Make small fixes and re-export only affected clips. If output quality is poor, verify bitrate and sample rate, check for engine rate limits or throttling, and, if needed, switch to a different voice or higher-tier engine. This solves most final stage problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.